Welcome to our channel. Today we how to launch high-ticket online services step-by-step. Identify your niche and target audience. Research the market to validate your service idea. Outline the unique value proposition of your service. Set clear pricing strategies for your high-ticket offer. Create a comprehensive business plan detailing your goals and strategies. Develop your service or product, ensuring it meets the needs of your audience. Build a professional website showcasing your services. Incorporate high-quality content that reflects your expertise. Set up an optimized sales funnel to guide potential clients. Utilize email marketing to nurture leads and maintain engagement. Leverage social media platforms to promote your services. Engage with your audience through valuable content and interactions. Create testimonials and case studies to build credibility. Consider partnerships or collaborations to expand your reach. Implement advertising strategies to attract high-paying clients. Continuously assess and refine your approach based on feedback and performance data. Stay updated on industry trends to maintain relevance. Ensure exceptional customer support to enhance client satisfaction. Focus on building long-term relationships with clients for repeat business. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.